Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this video, I'll tell you the best working strategy for class 10 board exams preparation. It is completely 100% original, and if you are thinking that it is a video wherein I ask you to get up at 5 a.m., get ready by 5:30 and start studying by 5:30, and I am giving you a 8 hours study plan, then this video is not for you. It is completely different from all the other videos which you find in YouTube. So, are you ready? Let's get started. My plan which I am going to give you, this plan is for 3 months, okay? So, it is a 3-month plan, okay? And we'll start from September, okay? So, September, October and November. This is a 3-month plan, okay? So in September, assume you have 30 days. You have 30 days, okay? And in October, you have 31 days. But let us say you have only 30 days, okay? And in November also, you have 30 days, okay? So on a whole, you have total of 90 days time with you, okay? Now out of these 90 days, say 6 days you're not well, or maybe there is a festival, so you're not able to study, okay? So I'm subtracting those 6 days, and on an average you have 84 days in 3 months, okay? 84 preparation days in 3 months, okay? So the plan which I am going to tell you, the target of this plan is at the end of November 30, okay? On December 1st, you should complete your maths revision, okay? Complete maths revision, all chapters along with exercise problems, along with concepts and along with test, okay? So you will be testing for each and every chapter, you will be revising it and you will be completing it perfectly, okay? So one time revision you will complete by November 30 perfectly, okay? Perfect revision, clear? That means you are not going to leave any concept in any chapter. Anything which is in the textbook is to be covered, okay? So this is our goal. By December 1st, you will be completing your revision, okay? Complete understanding of all the chapters, including revision and test, clear? So this is by December 1st. Now you will be asking, ma'am, what after December 1st? So at this time, at November ending, I'll give you another timetable, okay, another strategy of how to prepare from December 1st, okay? So that would be your second revision, clear? So for your exams, so they will be most probably scheduled in March end or April beginning, okay? So that means you have December, January, February and March, okay? So if you eliminate this March also, you'll have 3 months. So I'll give you another perfect timetable, revision timetable at that time, okay? But for now our first strategy, first plan is to focus on these 3 months, okay? And I'll tell you how to go on with this plan. Now this plan is subdivided into weekly plan, okay? So this 3 months plan, I'm dividing it into weekly plan, okay? So in 1 week we are going to complete 1 chapter. As you can see, in TS and AP you have 14 chapters and in CBSE you have 15 chapters. So if you plan 1 chapter in 1 week, then you will be completing all the chapters by November, okay? And let me tell you, now in CBSE you have 15 chapters, but you can take 2 chapters in 1 week where the chapters are really small, okay? This is a working strategy and I'll explain you how. Now 2 types of students are watching my video. One, who have not at all started their class 10 syllabus, the students for whom the school did not start any online classes yet, okay? That is first category. And second category is the students for whom the schools have already started online classes and they have finished a little amount of the syllabus, right? So there are 2 categories. Now let me talk about the first category. Don't worry if your school have not started any online classes yet, but still you can follow this strategy. How? So in our channel, you can have chapter 1 and chapter 2 I have completed in detail, okay? And I'll be completing the remaining chapters also. This week we'll be completing polynomials, okay? So you can just have a look of chapter 1. So chapter 1, I made it into 3 videos for state syllabus and 2 videos for CBSE syllabus, okay? Depending on your syllabus, I have divided. Clear? So if you watch those 3 videos, half an hour video, you'll be perfect with the concept, okay? And and then you can move on to the exercise problems. Clear? And I'll tell you how to proceed. The detailed strategy I'm going to give you. I'm not just going to tell you something which everyone tells. It is different. Okay, so focus on it. So the second category of students, already online classes have started in your school. You have good amount of knowledge of what is there in the chapters, and you might have already given a test also. So for you, this will be a revision. Okay, so in whatever category you are, let us start from September 1st. Okay, so we are going to start from September 1st. Let it be in whichever category you belong to, we'll start from September 1st. Clear? And now how shall we proceed? So every week we shall complete one chapter. Okay, so in TS and AP you can see you have 14 chapters, and for CBSE there are 15 chapters. So whatever it is, we will complete one chapter in 1 week. Okay, TS, AP and CBSE, the syllabus are very same. Okay, so hardly one chapter is different. You have sets. TS people have sets, TS and AP have sets second chapter, but CBSE don't have sets as a chapter. Okay, so there is a very slight difference, but the chapters which you have and the chapters which CBSE have, both are very same. Okay, for example, if you take the first chapter is same for CBSE, TS and AP. Clear? So I'll be guiding you all the time, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so our strategy is you will be completing one chapter in 1 week. Okay, so first week you will complete first chapter, second week second chapter, and so on. Okay, so at the end of November you will finish all the chapters of your textbook, including exercise problems. Now how? So in a week you can see you have 7 days. Okay, now if you keenly observe your textbook, every chapter has not more than 5 exercises. Okay, so hardly 1 or 2 or 3 chapters have 5 exercises, but mostly chapters have only 4 exercises. Okay, so here is the list of exercises, chapter wise exercises. Okay, so in every chapter you can see you have not more than 5 exercises. So let us solve one exercise one day. Okay, only one exercise one day. I agree the fact that you have to study other subjects also, so I'm not going to burden you, I'm not going to stress you. This is a fun way strategy, so you're going to learn maths very happily without any stress, and you're going to score 100%. Okay, so one day in a week you have 7 days, and every day you'll complete one exercise. Okay, in the chapters where you have 5 exercises, there are hardly 2 or 3 chapters. In that weeks you will be completing the exercises by the 5th day. Okay, and if you observe in most of the exercises chapters, you can see the first exercise is very simple. So whenever you take up first exercise, you can take up second exercise along with that. Okay, so that means the first day of the week you can complete first and second exercise together. Okay, that means you will be saved with last 3 days. Okay, so Monday you will complete exercise 1 and 2, Tuesday exercise 3, Wednesday exercise 4, Thursday exercise 5 if you have exercise 5, otherwise you will complete by Wednesday. Okay, then you are left out with Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so now out of these 4 days, what I suggest you is you will have revision on Monday. Okay, so if you are completing by Wednesday, Thursday you will have revision. Okay, and Friday you will have a test. Okay, or else if you are completing by Thursday, then Friday you will have revision and Saturday you will have a test. Clear? Otherwise there is another alternative plan by me. Okay, so this is if you want to study by yourself, but if you want me to help you in this plan, then what we shall do is we shall have it together. Okay, now students generally get demotivated in the process of learning. Okay, you are with full of energy, josh in the first week, and you complete first chapter. Then in the second week, okay, then third week you feel let us do it slowly, isn't it? But if thousands of students are along with you, if they are studying with you, if they are giving test with you, then you also feel motivated. Okay, you also feel they are doing, let me also do it, right? So if one day if you miss studying also, the next day you will follow, right? So basing on this point, if you want me to help you out in this strategy, then I'll definitely do it, and everything is free of cost. Okay, so in that case we will have a test, a weekend test. Okay, chapter wise weekend test we shall have. Okay, so and also I'll be giving you chapter wise live doubt clearing session. Okay, so once you complete all your exercises in this week, okay, I'm not stressing you, I'm giving you plenty of time. Okay, now you may ask, madam, in few chapters the exercises are really big, Suppose in 4th chapter the 4.2 exercise is really big, you have 10 problems in that. In that case you can break down the exercise and you can do it for 2 days. Okay, so depending on the length of the exercise you can do. Now if you want me to give detailed strategy of how to break down the exercise also, I'll give you, but everything I want your suggestions. That means I want what is your feedback on this. If you want me to give it, then I'll give the detailed schedule of how to prepare. Okay, I'll give you monthly schedule wherein I'll tell you which day what you have to study and how shall we have the revision sessions also. Okay, so once we have the live doubt clearing session in our channel, we shall have a live test also. Okay, now the test, doubt clearing session, everything is free. You can just join, you can just ask me your doubts and I'll clear it. Clear? So in a week you will be completing the complete chapter along with exercise, along with the concept, along with the doubt clearing session, along with test. Okay, so that means you will be completing the chapter perfectly. Clear? So once you do it perfectly, then you will not have any doubts in that chapter, right? So we will move on to the next chapter. Clear? So this we will repeat every week. Okay, so now by November end you will be completing the entire max syllabus for your board exam. So from December 1st we shall follow another timetable. Okay, since you have completed the first time revision very perfectly, the second time revision will be different. Okay, I'll plan a different strategy for that. Okay, but our first priority, first goal is till November. Till November we have to complete this. Okay, now if you think that last year our seniors were just passed, they were just promoted, yes, they were just pushed forward, and this year also we don't have classes, school, that means this year also something like that is going to happen, then trust me, it is not going to happen. Okay, because the situation last year and this year is completely different, and Supreme Court has also said that the universities has to complete all its exams, final year exams by September 30, this September 30. That means remember that definitely you will have your exams in March or April. Okay, if the situations are worse, then you'll have your exams in June or July, but without exam you are not going to go forward, right? So don't keep that thing in mind. You have to remember that you should give your exams and you should get good marks. Okay, so for that you have to follow this strategy, because as you can see now in September you don't have your school. Now government has given you guidelines for online classes, but only half day you'll have your online classes and the other half you're free. So utilize the other half. You're not going to sit for the entire day, because I am giving you just only one exercise per day. Okay, so you'll just complete it very easily, right? So utilize at least 1 or 2 hours for your studies. Okay, so in September you are not going to have your school. In October, at least till October 15th you will not have your school, right? And as per my understanding, you may not have in November also if the vaccine is not out. Okay, if the vaccine is out, then the situation may be different, but now, as of now, considering the present situations, I don't think that school will reopen even at November. Okay, the online education will be going on. Okay, so you have plenty of time to revise, you have plenty of time. It all depends on how you utilize it. Okay, so from my side I'll be giving you doubt clearing session, I'll be giving you assessments. Okay, live test, will have test also, chapter wise test. You can ask me doubts anytime. Clear? And also I'll be giving you detailed schedule. Okay, in case if you're demotivated after first second week also, I'll give you the schedule. You can stick the schedule to the wall or the place where you study. Okay, so that by seeing it you will remember, oh my god, I have to complete this chapter in this week, let me start at least today, right? So you feel motivated whenever you see it. So if you want that schedule also, I'll provide it for free. Okay, so you only thing you should do is you have to let me know how did you like this strategy. Do you want me to start this strategy? If yes, if you want this, we shall start it. Okay, everything is free of cost. I'm doing this out of my interest. Okay, so we shall start this, but I want to know your response. Okay, so if you want the schedule, the prepared schedule also I'll give you, but tell me in the comment section whether you want it. Okay, so we'll go on further. And most of you have doubt when am I going to start the next chapters. So I took a little gap because of few reasons. Okay, so don't worry, from this week, as I told you, you will complete one chapter in a week. I'll also do the same. I'll also complete one chapter in a week. Okay, so most probably 2 chapters. Okay, depending on the time, depending on the length of the chapters, because you know on our channel you'll get detailed explanation of every topic. right? So it takes time. So but don't worry, I'll be providing you all the chapters on time from now. Okay, so third chapter, polynomials for TS and AP, and CBSE, it is second chapter. You will get it in this week. Okay, so we shall work hard, and we shall get the best result. Okay, so don't think that you will not have exams, don't think that we are going to just move on to the next class. No, we should work hard, because situations are not in our hands and we can never expect any miracle. Okay, so all that we have in our hands is our schedule, our plan, our strategy of how to study and how to get good marks. So if we complete this by November, then from December I'll plan a different strategy wherein definitely we'll score 100% in maths. Okay, and how did you like this session? Don't forget to tell me if you want this strategy, if you want me to start this strategy for you, or if you want to start it by yourself, if you want the doubt clearing, light doubt clearing session, and if you want the schedule. Tell me everything in the comment section. Depending on your response, I'll work towards it, because you know everything takes time, okay, to prepare the schedule, to prepare the test sheet, everything I'll need time to do that. And if most of you are interested, only then I'll start with this. Okay, so don't forget to provide your response in the comment section below, and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to come up with lot more exciting things on the channel. Subscribe to it and share this channel to all your friends also, because if more people join our channel, I feel motivated to do more and more innovative in this way, and also you feel you have a competitive spirit seeing so many students participating in it, right? So share the channel, subscribe the channel and like the channel, and don't forget everything is free of cost. Okay, thanks for watching.